Good morning. It's currently 7 o'clock or maybe past 7. But yeah, we're up and today is our second to last day, so I thought we were going to do stuff since it's Monday and everything is open. Yesterday was just a bummer because weekend they don't really do much, but I'm excited for today and we're going to head to breakfast due. Look at the corals that gets washed offshore. The water is so clear. It's nice. So many corals. This doggy is leading the way. We don't know her name. She just follows everyone. She feels like following. So cute though. This dog has been following us wherever we go. We don't know her name, but I named her Lady. Lady in brown. She's so cute. She's been following us since yesterday, but I feel like today is the only day that she actually followed us through, which is strange. She's a cute dog. I tried to ask her to fetch, but she doesn't know how to fetch, so I guess they don't do that here. But it's good to have company. She's still somewhere there. Such a good walk. Probably around 8 o'clock now in the morning. We just went for a walk to see what's on the other side, but we really didn't get that far because it's so sweaty now. But one thing that's strange in here is that normally if you're by the beach there would be a wind, but in here they had none, which is so weird because I feel like it doesn't go together, beach and no wind. But at the same time I can't really complain because your face won't get blown so much, or not many sand will get blown into your face, which is a good thing. But yeah, I really like the view. I'm gonna miss this place, but it's good to have a break once in a while.
My funny sunnies.
I'm so sweaty. But we hired a mini. And it's so cute. You could take the top off, but we don't know how to work it, and it's sunny. But we did take the back out, which is so cool.
Yeah.
And we're off to explore the island, which is cool. Yay! Are you excited?
Yeah. She picked it.
So sweaty. Look how pretty the car that we hired. And the best part is you can roll up the back window. It's so cool. That's so pretty. Meanwhile, this guy is trying to break the coconut by smashing it on the ground. It will take him 10 years to do that. so neat. Everything is hand painted. It's like a gallery.
Morning, guys.
This is so pretty. The water here is so much stiller than where we were staying, but I feel like because the lagoon is right over there, I assume, because there's two islands. So yeah, apparently you can snorkel down there and get the best view of fish and stuff, which is so cool. It's low tide at the moment, so it would be easy to swim. It is so pretty. Currently just sitting in the shade. There's actually quite a few breeze in here, and I'm gutted that we can't do the cruise because we're sort of out of budget, but what can you do? But other than that, it's cool. Do you think it's a good value for money?
Yeah. Go. Cheers.
We're at the town center, and that's the Ministry of Justice. And over there you can overlook the water. Oh my gosh, the cinema is so cute. And they have 3D. Which is just past the airport. It's so cool in here. And I'll show you guys how clear the water. It's insane. Do you see that? It is so pretty. But yeah, this is known. This time I did my makeup in the island. It's our last night, so I'm just getting ready to have some dinner. So this is what I'm wearing. Just a jumpsuit that goes all the way down. We don't have a full-size mirror, so I just showered as well. So this is the jumpsuit that I got from Glassons. So that's it for tonight, and then we're gonna go for a drive and maybe find a place where we can eat. And yeah, last night here, and I'll show you guys the view outside. It's so pretty. I'm definitely gonna miss this view when we wake up. The sunset. I guess all things come to an end, but you know, I can see myself coming back here not anytime soon, maybe sometime. But yeah, it was a great holiday, and now we're off for dinner. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. Last sunset in Rarotonga. This is so breathtaking. I love sunset. It's really the best thing ever. I'm gonna cry. That sunset is so pretty. That's like the last sunset that we're gonna see in Rarotonga, but it's so beautiful. The sun goes out real quick. But yeah, we're off for dinner soon. We're just gonna drive, and wherever it takes us, then we'll stop by. Yes! Do you have any idea what's for dinner?
No idea.
No. So maybe we'll just drive around and see what's there. And yeah. Tops down.